everybody. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of What's Cooking with Kimberly. Today, I'm gonna bust your chops a little bit, okay? We're talking about something very simple and something that we all use, butter. Most of the time when we think of butter, we think butter is bad. But today, I'm gonna teach you to have a healthy relationship with your butter. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite breakfast meals, avocado toast. And I'm still going to show you how to have a healthy relationship with that stick of butter. So we have all of our ingredients here. I'm going to take a piece of toast. I actually like Ezekiel bread. I don't know if you've heard of it, but I'm sure your local grocery store carries it. It's a sprouted bread, so it makes it a little healthier for you. It's not processed. So I have my butter and my bread here, and you can see the measurements on the side of your stick of butter. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to cut a slither. When I say a slither, some of you are probably gonna laugh because you're gonna be like, that ain't enough butter. But trust me, it is. You don't really have to drown your toast in butter. You just wanna get the flavor of the butter. And yes, I actually do this every morning. You see how thin that is? That's what I do every morning, okay? So I normally cut like 4 little pieces. Awesome. There we go. All right, so I have another piece here. Now, I'm going to humor myself and just see what this comes in at on the food scale, because that's important too, right? We want to know. So let me just turn it on. There's 3 pieces there. So there's the last piece. Let's see. It's not even registering on the scale, okay? So, with that being said, some of us like to go with the butter and do this. Gunk, gunk. That's a lot of butter, okay? If that's how much butter you're putting on your toast, I'm gonna ask you to reconsider that just a little bit, because calories matter. When we're trying to be healthy, when we're trying to watch what we're eating, it's very important for us to, cut back where we can. And this is one of those places where we can cut back, okay? So I've got my 2 pieces of toast here. Now, while I'm doing this, normally what I do is I turn the oven on and I preheat it. Go ahead and get that cranking at 500 degrees. Or you can just press the broil button and it'll go right onto that. So we'll spread that out a little bit. Here's the fun part. I love 21 Season Salute spices. And don't ask me how I discovered this. I just know what I like. And I put it on my toast one morning. So I just sprinkle a little bit on, like so. I cover it. This is like an Italian mixture. So there's garlic, there's a little bit of cayenne pepper in here. So it's got spice in it. There's oregano, there's basil. So I put it on, cover the whole thing. The oven's already hot, so we'll pop this in. Like that. And while that's in the oven, we're gonna cut up our avocado. I happen to really love avocado. I can eat it by itself. I can eat it straight on toast. I can eat it in a salad. I love avocado. So here we go. Turn it like that. Look at that, it's pretty. Now, here's the trick. To get the seed out, you want to take a good sized knife and you just chop it and twist it like that, and it comes right out, okay? So you can toss that in the trash. And then I just take and slice the avocado like that. And it makes it a little easier when you get ready to put it on your toast. You just scoop it right out. Like that. So I'll leave it there. And when my toast is ready, I'll just pull it out and spread it on there. Ah, look at that. And it smells so good. All those spices, there's a little bit of butter on there, so it keeps everything moist. So here, like that. Perfect. All right, so we've already sliced the avocado. We're just gonna scoop it out. This is one of the easiest things to make yourself in the morning, and it's super healthy. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this episode of What's Cooking with Kimberly. I hope that you got some really great takeaways from today's show. Listen, when we're trying to be healthier and be more accountable and lose a few pounds, it's not about deprivation. You can still have butter, but you can have it in moderation. So, with that being said, I'm going to taste this little avocado toast here because I know how delicious it is, and I hope that you'll add it to your daily routine as well. Hope to see you next time on What's Cooking with Kimberly.